Okay, hello. Today I will show you how to delete Exchange server emails using PowerShell. So, first of all, the problem and how it arrives. Usually, someone's trying to send an email and the sender gets a confirmation that the user doesn't have enough storage and the email cannot be sent. To confirm this, you go to the Outlook app, you go to the right click, you go to the user domain, right click on its properties, then select the total number of items, folder size, go to the server data tab, and under the total size, including subfolders, you will see the storage available, and that is, the storage that is consumed, and this will depend on the quota that you have with Exchange. The second problem is that the user cannot delete the deleted folder from Exchange. I will show you. So if you go to Outlook on the View tab, View Settings, General, and Storage, you will see that this user, for example, has 20 gigabytes of deleted items in the deleted items folder, but when you click empty or delete, it won't delete the items, so that's going to be an issue. Okay, first we need to understand Exchange and how it works. I am not 100% sure, but this is an idea on the security compliance and how the recovery of the email items work on Exchange. I found this image on one of the Microsoft websites that they had, but they don't explain clearly the different steps that the email takes in order to delete, but I will try to give my best shot to explain it. So the user gets a new email, goes to the inbox, and then the user clicks delete email, and that email goes to a deleted items folder. Take a look at this. The deleted items folder is on the mailbox. It's not on the recoverable items bucket. So what the recoverable items bucket is the next step after the email gets deleted. And as you can see, there are many different steps. There's the deletion, version, purchase, and the discovery on hold time. And this will be its own different bucket, so the emails are going to move one into another until it gets deleted from everything. Okay, how to solve the issue? You will need admin access to Exchange, Outlook app and the website, and PowerShell permission, so you can execute some commands. Okay, let's keep cooking. First, we will import Exchange Online and connect to it using the following scripts that I have on the bottom. You will get a pop-up and then you will sign into it. Here, this is not very important, but I'm just showing you where and how the issue arrives and which folders have most data so we can delete. We're gonna get the mailbox statistics, the name, and the items in each folder. Here I sorted the items folder by descending so we can see which one has the most of it. Of course, each item has a different size, but it's better to sort it by items in folder than folder and subfolder size, because the folder and subfolder size is a text, so it will not work. Here I have selected the specific buckets that we were talking about on the Exchange hierarchy, so we can focus on these ones because these ones are the main priority, and these ones are the one that is going to be deleted, So here we can see that the deleted items folder has 20 gigabytes. Here we have confirmed using PowerShell to the Exchange server. So now this script allows us to check the user policies and its recoverable item policies that was inherited from the main server. Of course, this is going to be different for each one of you because this will be according to your architecture and server level agreements. So it's going to be different. I recommend you to take a picture of this if you're going to do it, because we will change some of the options here, and after this you have to change it back. So take a screenshot of this. Okay, these are the two most important scripts. First, we will change these options. We're going to set the mailbox retain policies to 1 day, and we're going to disable the recoverable policies. And after that, we're going to start the process. Start manage folder assistant. That's the name of it. So after you run these two scripts separately, you will start to see that emails are going to get deleted, and it's going to get some time. From my experience, it will take around 4 hours to a day for the user to see that the emails are being deleted from the Exchange server. So why is taking so long, you ask? Well, here it is. And this will depend on your Exchange policies and how your Exchange server is set up for your organization. Because of server level agreements, sometimes you need to have a backup of your emails in case something goes down. It can be a disaster recovery or availability setups in which the Exchange server was created. Remember that the Exchange is a website, PaaS, product as a service. In my opinion, the main RAID, the main database, is a Stripe database, and then that Stripe database goes to RAID 10 on different availability zones. It can be within the same region or different regions. That's depending on the architecture and infrastructure that you have. And this is how the cloud works. So that's why it takes so long. It took me between 4 and 6 hours, up to a day, to see results. Okay, now remember that I told you that the deleted items folder is outside of this policy. So we have to manually delete the deleted items folder and move them to the recoverable policy, and I will show you how to do it. So you go to the Outlook app and you click on deleted items, and you will see a blue highlight text. You click on that text and a pop-up will show up with the deleted emails, and then you need to select purge selected items, select all of them, and then click OK. This will also move the deleted items to the recoverable items, and it will start with deleting the process of all emails. It's a big deal, so yeah, bear with me. And after that, after a day, you will see that most of the emails are gone by running this command, and you will see that most of them are empty. That's it. And big shout out to Anand. He wrote a blog about it and how we can set up these scripts. That's it. Thank you.